Scientists first began to worry about climate change toward the end of the 50s, and the global carbon emission was only at 5 billion metric tons. The scientific community began to unite for action on climate change in the 80s, and the warnings have only escalated since. In 1997, Kyoto Protocol was signed by the developed countries, which mandated the reduction of greenhouse gases. And in 2015, milestone Paris Climate Agreement was signed, which sets targets to cut greenhouse gas and to report the progress. The global temperature had been relatively stable until the 90s, but now it appeared that it was only because of the ocean was absorbing much of the excess heat and masking our impact. Today, we have already faced devastating events. The floods in Pakistan, affecting 30 million of Pakistanis, the heat wave in China, affecting 80 million of citizens, wildfires in south of France, and water shortage in the UK. We cannot ignore and close our eyes on 40% reduction of summer sea ice in the Arctic, 20% reduction of Amazonian rainforest, 50% reduction of world's coral reefs, and 70% decline of biodiversity. Now, it is time to give back to planet Earth. We should feel responsible, and we should take necessary actions to prevent such disasters and leave a habitable world for future generations. For instance, on the right side table, you will see my daily nutrition amounts and their greenhouse gas footprint calculated on a yearly basis. From the exercise, it is very clear that meat and dairies emit more greenhouse gas compared to other nutrition. I would never believe that my daily diet could emit 3,000 kilograms of greenhouse gas per year. So try to switch to sustainable food. Last but not least, I would like to highlight that none of us is ready for a Mad Max era. We should all act before entering tipping points, otherwise it will be too late. Don't take for granted, act now and raise public awareness, because the planet Earth is unique. Thank you very much.